Joining us today is Anita Maxwell from Consumers Choice Health Plan. Anita, thank you so much for being with us today.
It's a pleasure to be here. Thank you for having me.
Now, with the onset of the Affordable Care Act, there are a lot of people that are confused or miseducated on what some of their insurance options may be, and today you're going to clarify some of that for us.
I will attempt to do that, yes. We're looking forward to the opportunity to interacting with as many people as we possibly can. This is a huge change for our country, let alone the citizens of South Carolina, so Consumers Choice is glad to be at the forefront of educating the community.
Now, how do people get involved with Consumers Choice? What is that a purchase option, or how does that work?
Well, that is a purchase option. Starting in October, people can begin to enroll in our plan. But right now, their involvement is about community education. We're connecting with any organizations that want us to come out and educate their people, their employees, any individuals, churches, small groups, it doesn't matter. We're all over the state educating people about the changes that are coming starting January 1, 2014.
Now, speaking of those changes, what are some of the things that people can expect upcoming?
Well, a lot of things. One, the pre-existing conditions option is out of the window. So if you've been in a situation where you were not able to acquire health insurance previously because you were sick or you had a history of certain illnesses or surgeries, that has changed. So we as insurance carriers will have to offer health insurance to you. Other things, if people are young, they are able to still be on their parents' insurance policies until they're 26 years old. That's a change. There are a lot of things that we are now covering that we were not required to cover before as insurance carriers. And so I would suggest that someone contacts an organization like Consumers Choice Health Plan, or if an organization works with a broker, then contact them for further details.
So it just makes the process a lot easier for consumers now.
Well, that's the goal. The goal is truly consumers focused, which is what we are focused on. It's about the education, it's about being high touch and making sure that it is a simple process, because this is one of the largest changes we've ever seen in at least 40 years. So it's a major system overhaul, and we don't imagine it's going to be simple and happen overnight, but there are organizations like ours who are trying to make it as easy as possible.
Great. Well, Anita, thank you so much for sharing that information with us today. If you'd like more information on Consumers Choice Health Plan, you can contact them at 888-537-0055 or log on to cchpsc.org.